my channel, and you're with me again, Tons Poa. And for today's video, guys, well, actually when I woke up, I just woke up, so I decided to make a video. I went to my email, or I went to the comment section of my YouTube channel, and then one of my video, which is the Safi. So I'm not sure if he's a or she, he or she was a boy or a girl, but it was out of topic. He asked me, or she asked me, that what is my maintenance, or what did I do this teeth. So actually I have to take off two tooths to my teeth. I have to take it off because it's we need a medical or something like that to go to other country. And then so yeah, I will show you his message or her message there, right there. And yeah, that was the comment, and then that's why I decided to make this video. And so first thing, I like to use a well, of course, for Ivana, brush her teeth like 5 times a day or something like that, like every after she have food or after she eat. So but for me, I actually brush my teeth before I eat, after I eat. So when I woke up, sometimes I forgot to brush my teeth. But so the first thing I really like, or I tried before, kind of toothbrush, which is kind of hard. I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. But then when I found out, or when I tried, I bought a toothbrush which is very soft, like very soft. This is like just a Watson. This is not a sponsored from Watson, so I just bought it. And yeah, this type of toothbrush, which is, maybe you can see it in I don't know where you can find, but it's very, very soft to your teeth when you brush it. And then other thing, of course guys, you have to go to the dentist or dental clinic, or to the dentist. You have to go like every 6 months, because even you brush your teeth every second or every whatever whatsoever, it needs to, because sometimes, especially if your teeth is like you have something like broken on this side of your teeth. I don't know how to explain it, but it needs to be clean, like really clean, you know. So actually every 6 months, I usually go like after 6 months. And then I use this. It's almost, it is not a sponsored, guys, so I bought like a lot. So I bought it because this one is buy one take one, and it's value save, so value buy. Yes, so it's very big. It's how many, 750 ml, so this one is almost finished. So I'm just gonna show you. Okay, the main of this video, okay guys, many people, they smoke. I also smoke. I smoked when I was back when I was 18 years old, when I went to Korea, because most of my co-worker, they smoke because it's very cold, like it's snowing there. So, and then yeah, I don't know if I can tell that they bad influence. No, I'm not saying that. I mean, we have our own decision, we have our own choices. So then I started smoke when I was 18 years old, and then I stopped when I was around 27 years old, because I got pregnant. And then so I stopped for about I stopped when I got pregnant. For it was 9 months, and then after my son was almost 2 years, so maybe probably almost 3 years that I did not smoke. And then yeah, it's a long story. So I did smoke again, and so it's been a long time also that I used this toothpaste. It is not a sponsored, guys. So all of the product that I showed you just now, it's not a sponsored. So I've been using this. It is a, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a Zact, Z-A-C-T, Zact. I don't know. And then it's from Japan. It's from Japan. Yeah, it's from Japan. And this one is for smokers toothpaste. So I don't know if I how to say that, believe what they say here, but of course they put in here. They say it removes tobacco and fights cavities, whitens teeth, refresh breath. So that's what they say here. So I've been using it for like a long time. So you can get it. I got, the first time I got something like this was in Watson. So before I used to use a toothpaste, which is Colgate or something like that, like just the normal toothpaste. And then when I try to find like the small, like the travel size. So yeah, I saw this one. So I said, oh, I want to try this thing. And so yeah, I tried and I love it. And then so I start using it. And then my husband also know that this is the toothpaste that he used, a different toothpaste. So I use this one. So when when it's like almost like in here, so because see like that, so it's easy. So I do like that. So when it's in here, my husband will have to, yeah, actually he bought it this for me. So smoke toothpaste is specially formulated to remove tobacco, coffee, and tea stains effectively and safety. Used regularly for natural whitener and healthier teeth. Advanced, okay, 60%. Oh, 60%. It's only 60%, guys. So yes, power against ordinary toothpaste, prevent cavities. And so actually before when I was like when I was small, I have a story about it. When I was small, well, I think for all the brother were 9, so but we lost one, so we're 8. So I think we have four girls and then 5 boys. Only one boy have the same as my teeth, and also for the girls I have the different teeth. Like all my brothers and sisters, like they have different, like their teeth is like, I don't know how to say it, like purulence, is that how you call it, purulence? And so I remembered when I was a kid, because we live in a mountain, so we have this like the guava leaves or the guava tree. You know, my father, he of course when when I was a kid, when we live in the mountain, we don't have toothpaste, we don't have it is really true, we don't use toothpaste, we use the salt, you know. We have toothbrush, like the very cheap one, and then we use the salt and just do to your teeth, you know. And then you know, the guava leaves or the guava tree, my father used to cut it and just do like that to our teeth. Like I remember when I was like small, my father used to do my teeth like that, so it will take off. And then we don't go to the dentist because we're poor. So my father, he's the one who took off my teeth, like my tooth, like he took off all my tooth. And yeah, that was, and I miss my father. So anyway, of course, also my mother. And yeah, this is not a sponsored, and this is what I use. So for the one who asked me what is my maintenance, or what did I do to my teeth, so that's what I do like every day. So I hope you learn, or I hope I share to you guys about how I take care of my teeth. So I hope also you enjoy my video, and I think that's it for today, guys, and I hope I'll see you again on my next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.